Hey everybody, Braden here at SuperATV, and today we're going to be installing a frame stiffener on this 2019 Polaris RZR 1000. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove the lower A-arm bolts by using a 15mm wrench and a 15mm socket. Now remove the rear bolt. Then repeat the steps on the opposite side. The next step is going to be to install the frame stiffener. When you're installing it, you want to be sure that the portion that has the two holes is facing towards the front of the machine. You may have to use a rubber mallet to tap the frame stiffener into place. We're going to install our provided hardware. When installing the provided hardware, you may need to use a screwdriver to line up the holes with the frame stiffener. Now we're going to install the provided nuts, the provided bolts. Once all the nuts are started, go ahead and fully tighten all the hardware using a 13mm socket and a 15mm wrench. So that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's frame stiffener on this 2019 RZR 1000. For more information on this frame stiffener or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.